factorial. So 7 factorial will cancel 7 factorial, right? This one, you are left with 15 factorial over 4 factorial, 3 factorial, 8 factorial. So with this, you can say that you have 15 times 14 times 13 times 12 times 11 times 10. You can use your calculator for further simplification instead of trying to go through this stress. 9 times 8 factorial over 4 factorial, 3 factorial, 8 factorial. So this can cancel this. Of course, 4 factorial is same thing as what? 12. 4 factorial will cancel 12. 3 factorial is same thing as what? 6. What can 6 cancel in this place? Do we have? Okay, we can say. So 4 factorial is 24. So 12 here 1. 12 in 4 factorial, you'll be left with 2. 2 here 1. 2 in 10, you have 5. So now, I said that for 3 factorial, you can say 3 in 6, you have 2, and 3 in 15, you have 5. So 2 can also go in 14, making 7. So at the end of the day, you can say you have 15 times 7 times 13 times 11 times 7 times 13 times 11 times 5 times 9. And that will give us what? That will give us 5 times 7 times 13 times 11 times 5 times 9. That's 225,225. So that's if there are no restriction. So in the case where there is a restriction, one of it is one particular Christian must be included. One particular Christian must be included. So in that case, when you want to select, you already know that one person is constant. And from that question B, they don't have any issue with the Muslims, right? So the Muslim will still be what? 7 combination 3 times. But for the Christians, they said one particular person must be what? Must be included. So if one person is already constant, how many people are you selecting? How many more people are you selecting? 7 people, right? From how many population? That's 14. So it will be 15 minus the constant person, right? Combination 8 minus 1. You know, as soon as you have a constant person, then your total selection will be reduced by 1. So this is 7 combination 3 times 15 combination, 14 combination 7. You can do this by your calculator and then you have your answer. 7 combination 3 times 14 combination with 7, and then you have 120 times 120 ways. So the last but not the least is this one. 2 particular Muslims cannot be included on the committee. If there is an exemption, 2 particular people cannot be what? Included in the committee. Abi, how many Muslims are you picking? How many Muslims are you picking? You are picking 3 Muslims, Abi. In that population, they are exempting 2 people. How many population do you have to pick from? Do you have left to pick from? You have 5 population left to pick from, especially for the Muslims, because we are talking about the Muslims here. 2 particular Muslims cannot be included on the committee. So if you are told that they don't want a particular Muslim from the committee, that means you first of all exempt those 2 people from the population of Muslims that you have before you make your selection. So in that case now, what do you have there? This one will now be 7 minus 2, because you are deducting from the total population. Combination, you are still picking 3 people, but you only reduce the population of Muslims that you have to select from. And then the Christian population does not have issue. So this will be times 15 combination 8. So this invariably means that you are saying 5 combination 3 times 15 combination 8. So 5 combination 3 times 15 combination 8. Combination 3 times 15 combination 8. What do you have? 5 combination 3 times 15 combination 8. You are left with 64,350 ways. So we have, that's the end of that question number 1. That's the end of that question number 1. So let's quickly look into question number 2. Let's quickly look into question number 2. So now, let's look at example 2. A committee of 7 is to be formed from 9 men and 8 women. In how many ways can this committee be formed such that 4 men are there? Of course, you want to pick 7 people, 7 committees. And the condition is, in that 7 committees, 4 must be men. Abi, who's going to take the remaining population? The women, of course. And how many population would that be? That's 3. Because you are picking 7. 4 must be men. So when you want to represent this, it should be how many men do we have? 9. That would be 9 combination 4 times how many women? 8 combination 3. 9 combination 4 and 8 combination 3. 9 combination 4 times 8 combination 3. You can use your calculator at your end over there. 9 combination 4 times 8 combination 3. So I have 7,056 ways. So for 2B now, the condition is 5 women are there. Out of 7 committees, 5 must be women. So when you pick 5 women, how many population is left for the men? That's 2. So obviously that's 9 combination 2 times 8 combination 5. These are very direct solutions. Times 8 combination 5. So I have 2016 ways. So these are questions under combination. Questions as possible at your end to ensure that you have mastered the topic to some percentage. So this is where we are going to stop. I will see you next class. Thank you.